Once Prime Minister Modi had said that Yogi is useful. Now the Gujarat lobby of the BJP is beginning to fear Yogi's popularity. Perhaps that's why Yogi is not getting any chance to be disturbed as Modi Shah duo is not letting go of their hold. Yogi has become helpless. The result of his helplessness is that in the expansion of the Uttar Pradesh cabinet, he had to include two faces that Yogi absolutely dislikes. Not only that, even the arrest of Bahubali Dhananjay Singh is being seen as a result of Yogi's helplessness. Hello, I am Vibhanshu Pandey. You are watching Ek Nazar Ek Nazariya. Today we'll take a look at Yogi's helplessness and will share my perspective. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. In Uttar Pradesh, during the expansion of Yogi's cabinet, Om Prakash Rajbhar was seen taking the oath as a minister who used to advise Yogi to be sent away from the public platform where begging training is provided.
योगी बाबा जौन पहले हुए इस सदन में काली हम कुछ नहीं करूंगा लेकिन योगी बाबा जी आपको लखनऊ की गद्दी से उठाकर वहां पहुंचाऊंगा जहां भीख मांगने की ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है।
After Rajbhar's statement, Yogi did not forgive him. This is the main reason that when Union Minister Amit Shah accepted Rajbhar again as an ally of BJP to balance the electoral equations, Yogi was not pleased. Similarly, there is the case of Dara Singh Chauhan. Dara Singh also took oath as a minister. He is the same Dara Singh Chauhan who was included in the BJP against Yogi's will. He was given a ticket by the BJP in by elections in a Mau district. In this election, to ensure a favorable situation for Dara Singh, both deputy ministers of Uttar Pradesh, Brijesh Pathak and Keshav Prasad Maurya, were deployed in Mau. The entire force of MLAs was deployed in Mau as well. Still, the result was that Dara Singh had to face a decisive defeat by the Kshatriya candidate of the Samajwadi Party. This victory of Samajwadi Party was considered the first victory for the INDI alliance in Uttar Pradesh. Opposition party did not field their candidates here. Even after losing the election, Dara Singh Chauhan was sent to the Legislative Council. Yogi had to be under pressure for several months to include these two leaders in the cabinet. Yogi kept delaying. Finally, he had to give in. Now let's talk about Dhananjay Singh. He is the same Dhananjay Singh whom the police did not arrest despite having a reward on him. He was seen supporting his wife in the district panchayat elections, but the police seemed to be turned a blind eye. Then what happened that Dhananjay was arrested? Actually, the story is long. Dhananjay was preparing to enter the electoral arena with the support of the BJP's ally from the Jaunpur seat. But the Modi Shah duo handed the ticket to Kripashankar Singh, who came from the Congress. Kripashankar Singh has been a prominent leader of the Congress in Maharashtra politics. He had been under the ED's scrutiny for the past few days. Then what? Kripashankar went to seek the favor of the Gujarat lobby and was given a ticket. The ED case also got settled. On Kripashankar's ticket, Dhananjay Singh found himself in a fix within 24 hours. BJP sources say that Shah has now taken the control of Uttar Pradesh himself. Dhananjay has been arrested in a case that is 10 years old. The sequence of events emerging in Uttar Pradesh clearly indicates that Yogi is no longer useful for the Gujarat lobby. After Modi, Yogi's narrative intimidated the Gujarat lobby. This much for now. If you found the analysis insightful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments, sharing your thoughts, and hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you.